How to make the farmhouse ribbon carrot decor. This farmhouse ribbon carrot wall decor is both easy to make and a unique addition to your farmhouse style home. Great thing is it only cost about $10 to make. Follow along to make your own Easter wall hanging that you carrot live without. Hop on over to Dollar Tree to get everything you need or follow the links below to order these items online. Let's get started. Here are the supplies you will need. A wooden plank hanger in the color of white. Orange and white plaid ribbon. Wooden bead garland. Greenery and flowers. A ruler. Hot glue gun and glue sticks. Step 1. Using your ruler, draw a big carrot shape on the wood hanging. Step 2. Hot glue your ribbon across the top of the carrot. Continue to lay the ribbon in a zigzag pattern until you get to the bottom of the carrot, hot gluing at each turn. Step 3. Once the carrot is complete, eraser your pencil marks. Be sure to have a good eraser on hand. Step 4. Make a bow out of your ribbon and hot glue it to the top of the carrot. Step 5. Arrange your greenery or flowers above the bow, securing as needed with hot glue. Step 6. Remove the existing twine hanger. Then cut the wooden bead garland to your desired length and secure it on the back with hot glue. Now it's time to get your wall decor ready to hang. Choose the perfect spot in any room of your home. Try out the kitchen, office, living room, or anywhere you choose. Makes a great spring or Easter decor. You can view the full project and get the supplies for this project through the links below. Thank you for watching this dollar store DIY. Please like and subscribe to our channel.